Hello, everybody. Let's be honest. Biomedical research is a mess. Juggling 5 different software tools, digging through paywalls, trying to make sense of data, it eats up all of our time. What if I told you there's a co-scientist AI that can handle entire biomedical workflows? You might already know the general SciSpace agent, the powerful AI that handles all discipline research. But today, let me introduce you to the Biomed agent. The Biomed agent is not a replacement. It's a massive purpose-built upgrade for biomedical research only. They built this because they know the field is fragmented. Now, instead of jumping through primer design software, sequencing analysis platforms, and literature databases, this agent does it all. It understands biology. Alright, let's try some practical use cases. The first step is to go to this website scispace.com/biomedical, and here you will see the dropdown will have biomedical selected here. And if you don't have a SciSpace account yet, the link is in my description. The first prompt is in the category of clinical genomics and variant interpretation. Here we use computational tools to quickly identify disease-causing mutations from patient DNA sequencing. The core goal is to translate large genomic datasets into reliable diagnosis, often for rare diseases. The key actions include prioritization, where we go through filtering thousands of variants down to critical candidates. Then there's scoring, where the goal is assessing disease likelihood for each variant. And finally, there's data integration, where we are cross-referencing against major databases to establish robust, evidence-based reasoning for clinical action. The next prompt is in the category of drug discovery and pharmacology. This uses computational models to predict the fate and effectiveness of chemical compounds, speeding up pharmaceutical development. Is to rationalize drug design and significantly reduce the time and cost of identifying promising candidates. The key actions include prediction, where we're forecasting a candidate's behavior in the body, including its ADMET properties, and calculating its drug likeness score. Then we have modeling, where we're using techniques like virtual screening and docking to predict binding affinity and molecular interactions with target proteins. And then we have mapping, where we're establishing the broader biological impact by tracing the drug's primary target through associated pathways. This allows for efficient comparison and optimization of inhibitors before they reach the lab. The next prompt is in the category of molecular biology and cloning, especially CRISPR screening. This leverages computational tools to automate and optimize genetic engineering and high-throughput experimental design. The core goal is to take the guesswork out of complex molecular procedures, ensuring high efficiency and accuracy in the design and execution of genetic experiments. The key actions include design, digitally assembling complex expression constructs, and mapping large gRNA libraries for screens. Next, we have the automation, where we are streamlining the full workflow of pooled CRISPR screens from initial guide design and scoring to post-sequencing data processing. And finally, we have the analysis, where we are performing statistical analysis on screen results to confidently identify functional hit genes. With both the SciSpace agent and the new Biomed agent, there's an incredible time-saving feature: the ability to create high-quality biomedical illustrations. Creating compelling figures for publication is one of the biggest bottlenecks in research. It requires time, specialized software, and design skill. Forget spending hours in design software. All you need to do is to add a prompt describing the scientific process or mechanism you want to visualize, and the agent will construct, revise, or refine the figure based on your requirements. Some complex areas this can help you out with is clinical research schematics, immunology mechanisms, pathogen interactions, and cellular pathology. I hope this video gave you a good idea of how powerful the SciSpace Biomed agent is and how you can use the biomedical illustrations. If you want to sign up with SciSpace, make sure to use the coupon linked in my description, which will give you a great discount. I would like to thank SciSpace for sponsoring this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Till next one, thank you so much.